LED track lighting is an excellent choice for highlighting a particular area of a room or providing accent lighting. They are budget-friendly, easy to install, versatile, flexible, and add an attractive element to your home decor, distinguishing them from other standard lighting alternatives. Today we are going to review 5 best LED track lighting of this year. And we are going to start our list with Longré Round 4 light track lighting fixtures. If you're on a tight budget but still want an LED track lighting fixture that looks good, Longré is a brand to consider. At number 5 on our list, the Longré LED track lighting fixture is an affordable option that includes 4 lights. Although its 4-watt power rating limits its brightness output, it's still a reliable choice with a 1.5-year warranty included. And as always, the link is in the description below. CANARM is a new entrant in the lighting solutions market and offers various accessories including LED track lighting options. Being a budget-friendly brand, it offers affordable lighting solutions. This LED track lighting fixture comes with 4 bulb sockets and can work with up to 50-watt bulbs. However, it does not include any bulbs, making it a poor value for money and requiring the user to spend additional time installing the bulbs. The fixture comes with a 1-year warranty, which is standard at this price point. If you are looking for an affordable yet stylish LED track lighting for your home or office, the DLLT brand can be a viable option. Although it uses only 4 lights due to its low cost, it features a creative design with a brushed nickel finish that can complement any interior space. However, if you need high brightness and powerful lighting, this may not be the right choice for you since each light has a wattage rating of only 3 watts. Despite this, it comes with a 1-year warranty, which is better than having no warranty at all. Again, the link is in the description. Moving on to the next option in this list, the Unicozin LED track lighting is a good choice if you are looking for a larger size fixture with multiple bulbs. One of the most aesthetically pleasing options on the market, this LED track lighting has 6 lights without breaking the bank. Although the 4-watt wattage rating may not be the highest, the number of bulbs still results in a decent level of brightness output. However, if you value reliability, this option may not be the best fit for you as it does not come with any manufacturer warranty. While most of the track lighting options covered in this article are LED-based, the Globe Electric 59086 is a halogen-based option that offers a distinct design and appearance. For those who are interested in halogen lighting, the Globe Electric 59086 may be worth considering. This option comes with 6 halogen bulbs already installed. With a power rating of 50 watts per bulb, this lighting system provides relatively strong illumination for a halogen-based option. However, halogen bulbs are generally known for being less reliable than LED bulbs, and Globe Electric does not provide any warranty coverage for this product.